Being a student today is not easy at all. There are so many expenses that comes with being a student. We have the school fees, the data, transportation, daily expenses keeps increasing. But the good news is that in 2026 there are so many side hustles students can actually do without even having any capital at all. Hello everyone, welcome wherever you are joining from. You are beautifully welcome. So my name is Vicky. I'll be talking about the 10 side hustles students can start in 2026 with little or no capital at all. All right, number 10 will shock you, so stay till the end. All right, the first one on my list is graphic design. We all know graphic design now. We all know it. Graphic design is creating flyers, creating business cards and visually appealing designs for customers, clients, and all. Graphic design can be useful in churches, markets, in fact, all firms. There's no sphere that doesn't need graphics to communicate a good language, right? So graphic design is one of the topmost skill you must not overlook in 2026, because people are actually cashing out from graphic design. Businesses, churches, and brands always need flyers, always. So with tools like Canva, Pixel Lab, you can start designing good flyers for your audience. So the possible earnings per flyer is from 5k to 50k. As a student, you shouldn't charge more than 50k for a flyer. Okay, all right. For the second one, we have content creation. Guys, there's money in creating content too. You have a phone, you have a camera, you don't need much things, you don't need ring light, you don't need much equipment. Right now I'm using my natural light and my phone. I don't even have a mic. My mic, still mic, but I'm not using it. So content creation, there's money in content creation. Don't despise it at all. You can do content in various ways, like in campus live, fashion. You can do tutorial like what you know how to do best. Do it as a tutorial and post it. You can do lifestyle content. Content creation is broad and wide. All right, there's no part of content that you cannot do. If it's cooking, whatever you are best in doing, just do it. Don't just, your phone is just lying there, sitting there, not functional. We have social media websites like TikTok, we have Instagram, we have YouTube is even paying people. So don't take content creation as a joke. If you are a student and you want to be earning in 2026, don't take content creation as a joke. All right, I'm going to the third one right now. Is job servicing. I'm sure you might be hearing job servicing for the first time. In job servicing, you don't need to be the one doing the work. For instance, now let's say it covers all spheres, like in graphic design sphere now. Okay, you look for clients, you get a client, and you are not the one to even design it. Maybe the client pays you 30k. You'd actually give a graphic designer about maybe 15k. Maybe you can share it half, and then you will now be the middleman, and the person will be the one designing the flyer. Your own is just to be the middleman. Apart from graphic design sphere, even in real estate, those agents that are selling or reselling lands and selling apartments, right? They don't own the apartment. What they do is look for someone that needs the apartment, collect their commission, and collect their commission and give the owner of the apartments their own commission, right? And you can do it in any other fair. You can do it in clothes business. You will not literally have the clothes, but you will be the middleman. You will be the middleman, right? You look for someone that sells the clothes, someone that wants to buy the clothes. You stand in the middle, take your gain, give the person that wants to buy the clothes. I don't know if you understand. You can use it in any fair. For instance, now if in a perfume business, now you don't have any perfume, but you have buyers. You buy the perfume, then you are going to go to somebody that sells perfume. What am I saying? You will get the customer, sorry, you will get the customer, then you get the perfume, then you take your own gain and give the customer his perfume. You don't need to own a shop. You don't need to own a shop for drop servicing. It's also drop shipping. You can drop ship anything. You can sell clothes. You have WhatsApp status. You can repost them to your WhatsApp status. Keep posting them, You don't need to own a shop. Once your customer come, you will get it from the real shop owners, and you give it to the customers. So drop shipping or drop services can be done in various kinds of businesses, no matter the sphere of the businesses. You have clothes business, perfume business, a lot, even digital business. You can see some writers that their own is just to write the book, and they'll give the owner of the book, take your book, pay me my money. Some graphic designer, some that are not graphic designers, they will collect graphics contracts and give a graphic designer to do it. So you just stand as a middleman or middlewoman, and you are making your money. This is not actually difficult. It's something you can try. Okay, all right, the next one is hair or wig reselling. This business is underrated. You don't even need to have a shop when you are reselling hair or wigs, and you don't even need capitals. All right, what you just need to do is to get a person, someone that is selling in wholesale, right? Someone that is distributing. Just ask the person that you want to be selling, and you need photos and stock of what the person is selling. It's just like drop shipping. In fact, it's drop shipping of wigs, right? As a lady this time around. So what you just need to do, ladies love hairs, they love wigs, and they love all these kind of things. So you just like get somebody that is ready to be supplying you videos, images, photos that you can be posting, and their prices, right? What you will do is you add your own price to it. When you get customers from posting online, posting on WhatsApp, posting everywhere you can post, then you remove your own commission and send the person's money to the person. That makes sense, right? The next one I have here is social media management. I saw a lot of people looking for social media manager, I've seen a lot online. I'm sure you'll be coming across it. If you are not coming across it, search for it. There are a lot of companies looking for social media manager, and they are paying well, right? Even if some of them are not paying well, you look for the ones that are paying well, and you keep like applying. Social media manager, they don't need certificate. They don't need certificate. They don't need any certificate. Don't allow someone to say you have not yet graduated, you cannot make money. They don't need certificates to manage somebody's social media account. You don't need certificates. So that's just the simple truth. And in managing social media account, they charge monthly, right? Some charge 50k, 100k per month, depending on you bargaining. Some 150k, depending on your bargaining. All right, the next side also here is freelancing. You see sites like Fiverr and Upwork. They cannot be overemphasized. Like they are not overemphasized enough. They are not rated enough. Fiverr and Upwork, students can offer services like writing. I think I've talked about writing earlier when I was talking about graphic design. So writing, graphic design, video editing, web design, all this digital skills. You guys don't sleep on digital skills. Digital skills is actually a go. Like digital skills, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on digital skill. Don't sleep on it. Even if you are studying medicine, have at least one digital skill that you are learning. If it's not writing, it's graphic design. In fact, you can learn. All right, I wasn't actually done with my video. I went to do something and I'm back. Sorry. So we have selling of digital products, and this digital product, I was saying that it's you have to have one digital skill no matter the course you are studying. Even if you are studying medicine in school, right, and you are studying the best course, you have to have at least one digital skill. It can be graphic design, writing, ebook, selling digital products, right? And if you don't have any digital skill, you can sell digital products for people. Like you can be affiliating, you can be an affiliate marketer. Like you can be selling digital products. Those ones that already have web design courses, graphic design courses, ebook courses, writing courses, you know, you can affiliate for them and be an affiliate marketer and get your commission on every sales. All right. And as I was saying, if you can't affiliate, try learning a digital skill. If it's video editing, just learn a digital skill that you have passion for. As you are seeing me, I have like 2, 3, 4, right? Let's just say above 3. I have above 3 digital skills that I learned, right? And I'm practicing, and they're also good and okay for me. All right. So the final stuff I told you to wait for in the end of the video is these words of encouragement, right? To start now. Start now. Okay, when is the best time to start? Start now. There is no best time to start. Start now. You don't even need a dime to start. Start now. All right. I have a graphic course. If you want to learn, so if you want to learn graphic design, I'm a graphic designer, I'm a writer, I'm a content creator, and a video editor. All right. If you want to, like, if you want to learn graphics, right, just reach out to me or comment or drop your comments in the comment section, or get my course, get my graphic design course. It will help you become a professional graphic designer. Okay, yes. If you are looking to start your own wig dropshipping business, just reach out to me, and I work with dropshippers, like wig sellers. I'll just add you to my group. What you need to do is to repost the wigs, repost the products, and get your commission. All right. I don't know if you understand. I run a wholesale wig company. So what you just need to do as a dropshipper is to keep posting videos and pictures that I send to you, right? Or wig videos and wig pictures, and get your commission. I hope that sounds good. And if it's other things you have passion for, feel free to go and do them. Feel free to go ahead, go and do anything you have passion for doing. All right, thank you. Peace out.